Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do My Little Soda Pop dance. Let's get started. So we're going to go My Little Soda Pop, and then you try it. You're all I could make it. Every job I dreamed of. My Little Soda Pop. Chink, chink, chink. And then we just put it all together. My Little Soda Pop. You're all I could make it. Every job I dreamed of. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop.